The Soccer Mini Chainsaw 6-inch is a versatile tool, ideal for woodworking and yard organization, making it a great gift for DIY enthusiasts. The chainsaw boasts a larger cutting surface, with a cuttable face length of 6 inches and a total steel plate length of 9 inches, allowing for thicker trees to be cut. Equipped with a strong dynamic system, the Soccer Mini Chainsaw utilizes a high-quality guide chain and a pure copper motor for smooth, efficient, and fast cutting. The chainsaw is fitted with a 20 volts 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, providing a long usage time, and comes with 2 batteries for convenient charging. Despite its small size, the Soccer Mini Chainsaw is easy to carry and quick to assemble, with all accessories fitting perfectly into the compact suitcase. The chainsaw features an upgraded copper wire high-efficiency motor, providing longer runtime, more torque, and more power, thereby extending the lifespan of the tool.